Hi, my name's Tom Cubby. I'm a sales support engineer here at the Professional Solutions of America division at Sony Electronics. In this video, I'll be showing you how to configure and utilize the built-in auto camera tracking feature on Sony's Anycast Touch live content producer. Auto tracking allows you to track a person or other target in the next viewer of the Anycast Touch by simply tapping on the desired subject. The feature works by connecting the Anycast Touch to one of Sony's robotic pan-tilt-zoom remote control cameras, which support the Visca RS422 protocol. For a full list of supported models, please refer to your Anycast Touch operations guide. To use auto tracking, the Anycast Touch must be running at least firmware version 1.2. This and other firmware updates can be downloaded for free by visiting the Anycast Touch discussion forum located on the community site at community.sony.com. To prepare your system to use auto tracking, please follow these steps. Ensure that both the Anycast Touch and the remote camera are powered off. On the remote camera, toggle the Visca Select dip switch to RS422 and the baud rate dip switch to 38.4. Connect the Anycast Touch to the camera using an RS422 cable. This cable can be created by following the steps in the Controlling Remote Cameras section of the instruction manual and by using the Phoenix connectors that came supplied with the Anycast Touch. Once the connectors have been completed, power on the Anycast Touch. Now power on the remote camera. To enable a tracking function, navigate to the System Setup screen and tap Video. Tap Input and select the input connector connected to the target remote camera you wish to control. From the Remote Control drop-down menu, select the target remote camera and toggle the tracking feature to On. For remote cameras that are officially supported by the Anycast Touch, the model number of the connected camera is displayed in the Remote Control drop-down menu. In the input list of the main screen, select the camera input source you want to control and display its video in the next viewer. The camera tab appears in the subscreen. In the camera screen, tap Tracking to enable it. Tracking mode is now enabled. The tracking status appears in the next viewer as red and gray frame markers superimposed on the image. The gray frame marker is the tracking quality indicator. It provides a visual indication of the tracking quality or whether the tracking feature is in standby. Green means the tracking quality is good. Yellow means the tracking quality is deteriorating or the system is losing track of the target. And gray means the tracking mode is in standby. To start tracking, simply tap on the target in the next viewer. The camera now follows the specified target and the tracking quality indicator will turn green. Auto framing is another cool feature that is enabled alongside with auto tracking. It allows you to center the camera on a specific position when tapped in the next viewer. To use framing mode, tap the tracking enabled input source from the input list to display its video in the next viewer. Tap the Camera tab, which now appears in the subscreen, to display the camera control panel, then tap the framing icon to enable it. Tap the desired target in the next viewer. The remote camera will now center on the tap position. That's all for now. I hope you found this tutorial on using the auto tracking feature of the Anycast Touch enjoyable and helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.